Think you've mastered VS Code? There are some hidden features that can make coding a lot easier. Let's dive into 5 you probably didn't know about. 1. Multi-cursor editing. Tired of editing one line at a time? With multi-cursor, you can select multiple instances and edit them all at once. Use Ctrl+D or Command+D on Mac to select the same word, or Alt+click to add cursors anywhere. It's a productivity boost in seconds. 2. Built-in Markdown preview. Stop guessing how your Markdown will look. Just press Ctrl+Shift+V or Command+Shift+V on Mac and see a live preview right in VS Code. No need for external apps. 3. Peak definition. Switching files just to see a function is a hassle. Hover over any function and press Alt+F12. You'll see its definition inline without leaving the file you're working on. 4. Command palette. The ultimate shortcut. Hit Ctrl+Shift+P or Command+Shift+P on Mac and you get access to almost every command in VS Code. Want to change a setting or install an extension? The command palette has your back. 5th. Zen mode. Need to focus? Activate Zen mode with Ctrl+KZ. It hides everything except your code, so you can work without distractions. Perfect for deep work sessions.